But there is, some things that are jumping out at me. One thing that's jumping out at me, I should say. Wow, we're almost at 2 hours, guys. Jeez, thanks for hanging in there with me. Wow. What do you guys think? Anything jumping out at the answers? Okay. Rahul, I appreciate the honesty, my friend. To be honest, I don't know how to interpret this, I'm afraid. Rahul, that's perfectly okay, my friend. Um, it's important for us as data scientists to recognize our limitations, right? To be able to know when you can speak intelligently on something and when you can't. So Rahul, I appreciate the honesty. Totally okay. Patrick says all the numbers look reasonable. Michael says same. I don't know, Michael. I don't know if you're agreeing with Patrick or Rahul. It's kind of polarized there. Bala says macro average for precision and recall. What about them? Is something not sitting right with you there? Let me know. A lot of 0.85 by Michael. Okay, that's a good observation. Patrick says, do we usually break out precision and recall for each class? Yeah, you do. Yeah, even in the multi class, you would do that. Yeah, that's standard. Yeah, see, Michael, Michael, you got me super curious on whether you were agreeing with Patrick or Rahul. So, Michael, are you good with this, or do you need a little help? Let me know. She says my code gave me the same numbers. Okay. Ashish, do you know why that is? I know why. I fully expected that. So for extra credit, let me know if you know why it gave you the same numbers. But I fully anticipated that. I'm not surprised at that by all. Michael says with Rahul. Okay, so Michael's being honest. He doesn't know how to interpret this. That's okay. Okay, so